Hello world, it's October 16th, 2025. Welcome to a new edition of Cyber Briefing by Cybermaterial. Cyber alerts brought to you by 911 Cyber. Fake LastPass and Bitwarden alerts used by hackers to hijack victims' computers. High-severity security vulnerabilities patched in updates by Fortinet and Ivanti. Malicious crypto-stealing VSCode extensions found again on OpenVSX Registry. Cyber incidents brought to you by 911 Cyber. F5 confirms nation-state hackers stole source code and security vulnerability data. YouTube suffers worldwide outage as users report playback errors across all regions. And Cyber News brought to you by 911 Cyber. Capita to pay £14 million over data breach affecting 66 million people. This cyber briefing was produced with Saint, your artificial intelligence newscaster. For more headlines, visit cybermaterial.com.